Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some hair transformations. First up, someone starts off with pretty long hair. She does have grown out color and the stylist is cutting the hair to a lob. Gorgeous. He also did a color refresh and added in some waves off center part. Beautiful transformation. Now this is a simple style, but this is perfect if you want something that's classic and beautiful. So then we move on to the next one. So she has super long waist-length hair, and it looks like she has been dreaming of a pixie. So the stylist places the hair in the ponytails and cuts the hair off. So obviously that hair is going to be donated because they were very careful with the cutting and they even measured it. Absolutely gorgeous transformation. And that is a whole lot of hair. So if you guys haven't done so already, don't forget to like today's video if you want to see more hair transformations. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can check out more hairstyle ideas. So with the next transformation, she does start off with a bob. Oh wow, so she picked up the clippers and I guess she is going to be rocking the shave-in trend. Love it, totally unexpected. She ended up getting a faded buzz cut. So moving right along, we see someone else who plans on donating their hair. Hair was placed in hair ties, and they are cutting the hair off. So she ended up getting this classic bob, middle part down the center. Gorgeous blunt cut. So moving on, we see someone else with pretty long hair. Stylist is cutting the hair down. Looks like she might be getting a lob. And she also ended up getting some color as well. Then we see another bob haircut. Oh, so this one is going to be very blunt. Her hair looks extremely healthy and shiny, very thick as well. Nice middle part down the center. So then we see this gorgeous pixie transformation. Then we have a silk press lob. Oh wow, her hair looks so shiny as well. So they actually ended up cutting the hair further and into a bob haircut. Hair looks very shiny and healthy. Alright you guys, so that is going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles, please be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.